How to get verified on Instagram. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, and then in here I'm going to show you two ways on how you can get verified. So first, we'll have to navigate to our profile. To do that, tap on the profile icon, then go to these three lines, and then under here tap on the account center, and then under account center scroll down and tap on this Meta verified option. So in here, the first option to get verified is by getting a subscription. So what you will get if your account is verified. So you will receive a verified badge. Your audience can trust that you are a real person sharing your real stories. And then you will also receive an increased account protection, upgraded profile features, and the last one is you will receive unique stickers. So what you need to do is to simply tap on this join waiting list. But you have to keep in mind that once your account is verified, you will be charged every month unless you cancel your subscription. Also, it can take up to 48 hours for the verified badge to appear on your account along with all the other benefits. On the other hand, if you want to get verified for free, you need to be recognized as a public figure, brand, or a celebrity. And to be eligible to that, you need to follow the terms and community guidelines of Instagram. Also, your account must meet the following requirements. First, your profile should be a representation of a real person, registered business, and it also must represent who you are. Another thing to keep in mind, your account should also be public. And lastly, you also need to have 1,000 followers or more. You must complete all the requirements for you to get verified for free. So those are the two ways on how you can get verified on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!